How to enable or disable show notification snooze button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notification. So you will see notification is here. So click on notification. Now here, scroll down and click on advanced settings. So after click on advanced settings, so you will see show snooze button is here. So if you want to enable show snooze button, so turn on this button. You will see show snooze button is enabled. So if you want to disable show snooze button, so turn off this button. You will see show snooze button is disabled. So you will enable or disable show snooze button from here. So after enable or disable, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable show notification snooze button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.